In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see bid history on eBay. If you're looking at an auction listing and want to know how active the bidding has been, eBay makes it fairly simple to check. Viewing the bid history can help you understand how many bids have been placed, how competitive the item is, and how the auction is progressing overall. This can be useful if you're deciding whether to place a bid yourself or just want a clearer picture of what's happening on the listing. To get started, make sure you are on the actual auction item page. This is important because the bid history link appears directly on the listing itself. If you're browsing search results or looking at a general product page, you won't see the same bidding details. So first, open the specific item you want to check and confirm that it's an auction style listing. Once you're on the item page, look near the current price area. Under the approximate price section, you should see a link that shows the number of bids. This is usually labeled with the word bids, and it appears close to the pricing information, so it's easy to find once you know where to look. Go ahead and click on that bids link. After you click it, eBay will open the bid history for that item. This page shows you the bidding activity associated with the auction. You'll typically be able to see how many bids have been made and details about the timing of those bids. In many cases, bidder identities are partially hidden for privacy, which is normal on eBay. The main purpose of this page is to let you review the auction activity, not reveal personal information. When you're checking bid history, keep in mind that this information is most relevant for auction listings. If an item is listed as buy it now, you may not see a bids link at all because there's no active bidding involved. So if you don't see the option, it may simply be the type of listing you're viewing. And that's all it takes. Open the auction item, click the bids link near the price, and you'll be taken straight to the bid history page. It's a quick way to get more insight into how an eBay auction is performing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.